Hey now, welcome to FreedomSufferer Cards video number 382. I sit down, man. And today, man, we will be ripping in to the new DEL, that's the German Hockey League's 2021-22 box. I can't wait, man, from PlayerCards. But before we do that, I would like to give it a couple of shoutouts. The first one goes to Darrell Giordano. Darrell Giordano, man. He used to run an LCS until recently for a very long time. He's got a great channel. You could imagine running an LCS for so long, the channel that has stories and stories. Recently, he just had LT in there. Madness, man. He's got quite a few awesome segments on his show. He'll do his warehouse finds, and I've seen some great cards there. He'll have stories, some awesome old school wrestling stories for people like me. Baseball, we're talking football, man. Hockey, doesn't matter. All kinds of cool stuff. Super cool guy. I heard about him through Julie Farnham, who had been going to his LCS for a while and has nothing but amazing things to say about him. And he does plenty of giveaways. Has a little bit of trivia. Just very cool guy, very cool channel, man. I would appreciate it if you would check his information in the video description and head on over. All right. The next shout out is primarily a hockey channel. We're talking TSG Cards. I've given him shout outs way back, man. Huge hockey fan. He opens more mystery packs than I've seen anybody open and reviews them and asks for everyone's opinion, whether it's worth it or not. He does high end, he does low end, doesn't matter, man. And recently, I saw him open 1998, or was it 99? Series 2, Upper Deck. You don't see that very often. So please check out TSG Cards and Darrell Giordano in the video description. All right. We're going to get into this. I got it, as I mentioned, through PlayerCards in Germany. They threw in these two packs. I will be opening them tomorrow for my VR for Shaw Racing Collects. They are lucky. I happen to have one open spot. Everything's pre-recorded for a while, but this background is a temporary background. There's quite a few things that have to still go up, including that comic from... Don't forget to save that Friday 13th autograph Sean Cunningham. Gotta get that right back up there. Come on, man. Never ever ripped into this product. I've ripped into some 2004 German Hockey League stuff, I believe. There are 24 packs. So we will go for 6. Oh. Come on now, man. Not going to do any special... Should we open this up just for a little bit of fun? You could see that. I said star power, man. All right. Get him off of the side. Mayor Hazel looking good. Oh, all the way down. Look at this. Are there odds? There are no odds. Believe me, I could read German. There are no odds there. On the box, I'm sure there are. So we are looking for, I don't know that many new prospects. I know there's a few not in the NHL, like Florian Elias, for example. He's a really good player. There's a couple that were drafted recently into the NHL. We got Peter Triska, Valentino Klos. We'll take a look at the back. All right. Valentino Klos. We got Marco Novak. TJ Mullock. And Dustin Strahlmeyer. Go, man. Devious mustache. All right. No inserts in that first pack. Patrick Hager. What is this? Upside down, man. From the Grizzlies, Wolfsburg Grizzlies, I guess. Tyler Gaudet. Upside down, man. Ilari Mellak. Nicholas Treutel. There you go. Pretty good. And Alex Roach.
Quick rip, not so quick.
I wonder if the ex-NHLers will have their stats on the back. If they have rights to be able to write that down. It'd be interesting. All right, we got Lucas Lesio. Nice bright yellows there. Eric Cornell. If anything was numbered, when I check afterwards, I will have put a little bit of a swirly swirl on the top here. Yannick Valio. We got Nicholas Anderson. And we've got a coach, Christoph Kreutzer. All right. Johannes Us. Do not see any inserts yet. Hello, Ryan Button. Mitchell Hurd. Well, they have the AHL numbers. I don't see why they wouldn't have NHL numbers in that case. We got Chris Bork. And Sebastian Vogel. Nice goalie mask. A lot of AHL going on there, man. 2 packs to go. Looks like we have something in the background, in the back there. Chris Brown. Hartford Wolf pack. There you go. We got Dennis Andres. Matthias Niederberger. Vladimir Eminger. And what is this? Some kind of... Ooh, elite John Matsumoto. Look at this. It's like acetate-y. What is that? Very, very cool insert there, man. Never seen anything like that. Nice little smoky acetate there. Oh, and what is this? Defenders, another insert. I was beginning to think there were no inserts in these packs. There's supposed to be some premium stuff in here. This has got a nice finish to it, actually. Wow. Very, very nice looking card. Well, I guess that one was supposed to be saved till the end, but no problem at all, man. Garrett Festerling. Sammy Itokalio. Nice. Interesting jersey. Colin Campbell. Never amounted to much. Alexander L. All right, that was part 1 of our DEL break. Very, very cool inserts here. I will take a look at rookies and whatnot. I don't think we got any, but Very, very, very cool. Look at those beauties. So part 1 in the books. Any information that needs to be put up, I will put up right about now, man. I hope you enjoyed this. Please, please check out the 2 shoutouts from earlier. I would really appreciate that. If you like the video, please give the video a like. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, and leave a comment letting me know your thoughts on this cool break. Please take good care of yourselves and take good care of those around you. Don't put anybody in the danger zone. And I'll see you all soon. Real soon.
I'll be the new champion of the WWF. You're a liar, yeah. No good liar. Punk. Punk. And what you gonna do, brother, when Hulkamania and the largest arms in the world go wild on you?
What's he gonna do when the whole world thinks that Hogan is the good guy? No, but he's not. He's got wandering eyes for Elizabeth. He called Macho his brother, his brother, his brother, his brother. Time for an elbow drop. Might as well use the ring bell, 'cause it doesn't matter. Political madness. Hulk Hogan thinking that he can beat everyone. But he's a racist. He's a bad guy. Hulk Hogan did a lot of